Hi guys, for this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Kraken. First, log into your Kraken account and then after logging in, click the transfer button that can be found on the left side of the screen. The transfer button will show you an interface where you can deposit or withdraw. Click the deposit tab and then select an asset that you wish to deposit. And then scroll a little until you find the generate deposit address that is in violet tone. After clicking this, it will generate a deposit address that you have to copy since we need to use it for our Binance transfer. So head into your Binance account by logging into your Binance and then head into the top right corner of the screen to see the wallet icon. Click the wallet icon and then select Fiat and Spot. Fiat and Spot will open an interface where you have to select the asset that you wish to withdraw. So select that asset and then it will open this withdraw crypto interface. Now, after selecting the asset that we wish to withdraw, paste the BTC address or Bitcoin address that we had earlier in the Kraken account, which is the generated deposit address. Now, after entering the address and the network, click the withdraw button as seen above. You'll be asked one more time to verify if it's the right blockchain network before seeing this final withdrawal confirmation page where you review the details of your withdrawal including the amount and network fee. So verify everything before clicking the continue button and then just simply tap in the continue button if it's all ready and verified. And the amount of time it will take to transfer digital assets from Binance to Kraken depends on how much you want to transfer and network congestion. But valid transactions should take no more than about 10 minutes and that's it. That is how to transfer from Binance to Kraken, and thank you for listening.